Hey guys, I'm back on my channel. Here's the cat over there. He's so cute, but yeah, guys, they got new Dominion Jurassic World. Wait, I need a camera. So yeah, guys. Oh, sorry. This is the new Jurassic Dominion toys. Yeah, we're gonna do unboxing. You can see the cat back there. So yeah, guys, we're gonna open this one. See it yet? Sorry, guys. I'm back, guys. Came back with the scissors. I can't. And I did open one before. I love the unboxing Jurassic World Dominion. Oh, no, sorry, guys. Don't worry, guys. I didn't open it yet. Oh, I got another one. Damn it. Guys, I don't know how to give away with this toy because I already got one, but I opened one already. And I give one to Tyler, but it's the same toy we got. I think I have to give away for this, guys, but I don't know. Whoa, jeez. Tyler's own light is working. Huh, nice. Well, guys, Tyler's light so shiny. Please, just please don't be like another one. Okay. I know you didn't see it yet. Okay, glad. I got a new one.
I'll put this light over here.
I can't break this. I'll just open this. Wow, we got Gilly Mammoth. So yeah, Gilly Mammoth. We got Gilly Mammoth. I want to keep this toys. But there's another one. There's a Stegosaurus. We got. I don't know what this name called. He's stuck. I think this is the biggest mini dinosaur in the world.
What does the guy wings look like? It's the same thing, but smaller.
Does he belong in this? I think so. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
Can I open this?
Yeah, cause this is unboxing video. Yeah, guys, we'll have to open this next. I can't take it with two. I'll be back.
Look at
Guys, we got another one again. I have to give away for that. Guys, this is the last one, right?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Oh yeah, this is open.
What? Are you serious? Are you serious?
This is the last one. Already got these. I buy the wrong one.
I hate Jurassic World.
Bad Jurassic Dominion. Just kidding. Oh no. Sorry, guys. Guys.
But why? This
Alright.
is the last one.
Please. Please. It's another one. It's the same thing we got. We got everything. Well, guys, we got 4 of them.
A big fail.
we got a biggest fail in the world, guys. Guys, I'm gonna do another unboxing video like this. So Tyler did. Look, got a light. I love your lights. It's so like shiny. Like, look, change colors. Here, you can take the color. Guys, I'll do this for. I'll make this video soon, like another soon, like last time. Okay. So yeah, guys. Thank you for watching. So see you next week and goodbye. But I'll make a new video soon. Okay.